Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool Milliard here, and basically what this is a saucer chair. So you can see this is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the inside looks like. So pretty much the product is all set up already, so there's nothing for you guys to assemble other than opening it up. So let's take out the wrapper first and assemble it to show you guys how to use it. So when you do take it out, here is basically what the product looks like inside. And then right here they do provide you guys a bunch of paper and also instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up. But like I mentioned, it should be pretty straightforward in terms of how to set it up. So you see the bottom right here, they do have a non-slip material. That's also the padding as well. So that way when you guys do open up the legs, it will give you guys that support. And the overall material that they use on here definitely feels like a high quality material if it's in here. If you see for the product, it is a foldable design, so that will save a lot of space when you guys do set it up or when you guys need to put it away. But here is basically what the back part looks like. If you guys flip around, here is basically what the other side looks like. So when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it definitely feels very soft and very smooth. So they do mention material that's on here is a fox fur, so it's not real fur. But when you guys do feel it, it definitely has a padding on here, so that way when you guys do sit on it, it will feel really comfortable. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually fully open it to show you guys what the product looks like and how to set it up. So all you need to do is just open up this part here in the back and just push it all the way until you lock it in the back. So let me see right here and right here. Once you guys lock it in place, then here's all set. But if you guys want to fold it back up, you basically want to push on this part here and the other side as well. So that way it's fold it back up. But for right now, we'll just set it up to show you guys what it looks like first. So if you guys do put it on the ground, here is basically what the product looks like when you guys do set up. If you see for the one that we got here, it is a pink color. They do have this available in many other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. So if you guys do sit on top, this is basically what the product looks like. So when you guys do sit on here, it definitely feels pretty nice with the soft fur material that's on here and that padding that's on here that feels really comfortable as well. And if you guys try to move around, it's actually very stable. So whether if you just want to sit down on here or if you guys want to lay back, however you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. So this is basically what the product looks like once you guys do fully set it up. Now let's fold it back up to show you guys how to put it away. So like I mentioned earlier, all you're going to do is push the bottom part here and right here and just slide it back in. And you want to hold right here when you guys slide it, so that way it won't hurt your hand. So that's all you guys need to do and you guys are all set. So you can see very easy and very simple for you to set it up and put it away as well. So if you just want to put it on one side like this, you do have the option to just lay on somewhere and just use it when you guys do need to use it again. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we come unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys in the market are looking for a high quality foldable chair that basically works as a saucer chair like the one that you can see right here, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.